Welcome to my floating apartment in the Maldives, guys. The floating apartment has its own private pool. There's an outdoor shower over there. Please enter my bedroom. The bed where I shall be sleeping with a view of the sea. Here is the bathtub. Love it. It's right in the middle of the room. There's a Japanese toilet. It just has a remote and does its own thing. They believe in fitness and wellness over here, so they give you a juicer and you can juice your own juice. Cheers! Exchange the juice for some coffee. Sit on my coffee bed. I can actually see the fish while sitting here because there's a little glass window in the flooring. Go outside. This is a nice little deck where you can see the sunset. Now I can go for a swim. Hey guys, who would you like to share this floating apartment with? Write in the comments below, okay? Bye! See ya!